Dominic, move.
Wait, what is it? Can't see the name of it. This an iPad mini? Yes. Yay!
Now, why would you want more than that?
It's one of the best things I wanted for Christmas.
But you're not listening. That's all you got, and you were so upset about it. But now, are you upset? Okay. Yes, it is videotaping.
Now you can throw your paper away.
All right, where's Savion's?
Oh, it's so tiny. Maybe it's model paint.
No, maybe it's
iPod.
iPod.
Oh!
An iPhone!
You got an iPhone!
I got a phone.
Wow.
An iPhone 4S
He's
just
got
like
a number.
yours.
Santa wrote his own number.
Wow.
That's it. Santa, look, it's your own number
Where?
for your cell phone.
Oh,
So
Santa.
you can call
Awesome.
Santa did awesome. Cool.
Oh, wait, no, upside. Wait. Yeah, there.
It's an
Very cool.
It's an
Oh, that
S.
is so cool. Siri, to answer all the questions I have.
Verizon. Charger.
Oh, I like that back. And what's that?
It's got a clip to it, I
Oh,
think.
so I can put it on my belt.
Just like
That
Barclays.
is so cool.
You can feel
I
it.
like that.
Wow.
That feels cool.
I'm gonna start up my iPad mini.
OtterBox. That is so
Very cool, huh? Did you like your Christmas presents from Santa?
Yay!
That was so cool.
Yay!
All right, guys, say Merry Christmas.
Merry